Hello everyone. Today we're delving into some advanced features that can transform your network management experience. HPE Aruba Networking's new central alerts and AI search functionality. These tools are designed to enhance real-time anomaly detection and streamline your network operations. Let's explore these features together. First, let's focus on the alerts card within the NOC view. This card displays the top 5 alerts with the most active critical severity instances. Alerts are sorted based on highest number of critical severity occurrences. The alerts card features a horizontal bar chart with stacked categories for severity and the number of impacted sites displayed on the right. Hovering over the bars provides tooltips with detailed counts of active alerts for each severity level. Clicking on an alert name expands the card to provide more in-depth information. Here you can see name, which is the site name that links directly to the site dashboard, alert name, the number of active instances and detailed severity breakdown, site health, which is a visual representation of site health percentages, and device and client health, which consists of bar charts showing health by count. This expanded view allows you to quickly assess the impact and begin troubleshooting. You can customize the table by adjusting column visibility and resetting column sizes, ensuring the information is tailored to your needs. Next, let's examine the AI search feature, which leverages natural language processing to make searching for clients, devices, and documentation more intuitive. The search bar is accessible from both global and site contexts. In the global context, you can search across all sites or specify particular ones. For example, searching how to configure an SSID brings up relevant documentation with direct links to user guides. The AI search also provides suggested queries and auto-completion based on your input, making it easier to find what you need. In the site context, the search becomes even more powerful. Typing Miami clients navigates you to the client's page for that site. Similarly, Miami offline devices helps you quickly identify devices that are offline at the Miami site. Exporting results. You can export search results as a CSV file for reporting or further analysis. User feedback. Submit feedback on search results via like or dislike buttons, aiding in improving the AI search functionality. Lastly, let's discuss alerts management. Alerts provide real-time network anomaly detection using machine learning to establish baselines and detect deviations. You can configure both predefined alerts and create custom ones to suit your specific needs. Set thresholds for critical, major, and minor severities, and define observation durations for alerts to trigger. Now, let's see how one of these features can be applied to real-world use cases. Let's say you have a branch that is all Aruba APs and CX switches, and you just converted it over the weekend to be 100% central managed. Let's take a look at Miami. From the network overview page, we go to the sites card and click on Miami. Now let's click on the alerts planet. This takes us to the alerts page, which presents a filtered list of the current active alerts. It can be sorted by alert name, priority, status, first occurred, last occurred, number of occurrences, and category. You can resize the columns just like you would in a spreadsheet. You can also pick the columns you want to see by clicking here. So let me start by troubleshooting Miami. I want to address the most critical alerts first, so I'll add one more filter under severity. In this scenario, because my goal is to solve all of these issues, I want to start with the one detected first. So now that it's sorted, I'll click on the first alert, which is pretty self-explanatory. This opens up a page for the alert itself. We see the summary, which gives me a description, the time and date of first and last occurrence, the number of occurrences, and the priority. The impact card tells me no clients, APs, or gateways are affected, but 2 of the 3 switches at this site are. And the action card gives me the information I need to resolve it. The root causes listed are duplex mismatch configuration between this switch, and their respective ports. And it's stating that one is set to duplex full, the other one is set to duplex half. So the action to take is to configure the same duplex on both sides. On the left, we have the solar system. We see the alert is the sun, and the related site, network devices, and clients are represented by clickable planets, which will take you to a list for each. All right, so let's go back. Let's take a look at this WPA passphrase is incorrect. So again, similar to the other alert, we'll see the summary card that gives us a description and occurrences detail. The impact card tells us 4 of the site's 61 clients are affected, and it happened in 2 of the 8 Miami APs. The action card, as expected, provides the guidance to resolve it. But let's see if we can get more information from the events card. So the events card lists the last 5 occurrences, and it can be expanded to show the rest. From here, if I sort by the latest occurrence and click on the event, I get the AP name and other related information. I can now go to that location and ask who's having issues connecting. All right, let's look at one more alert. Here's a good one. VLAN mismatch. On this alert page, the summary card gives us what we now expect. The impact card lists 0 clients, APs, or gateways are affected, but it lists 2 of the 3 switches on this site as well. Now, the action card tells us specifically that there are 2 switches where one port is set to VLAN 1001 and the other one is set to 3001. The action to take is to update the port with the correct VLAN ID. Now, these actions may seem obvious to an experienced network engineer, but imagine how helpful this is for the junior engineers who can't instantly recognize the problem and recall the solution because, unlike a 20-year networking veteran, they haven't been bitten by this issue a dozen times over their career. Or imagine the pain of completing a weekend switch upgrade project in your main distribution center and getting calls on Monday morning that some clients aren't connecting, and now having to troubleshoot it the old school way of stare and compare between old and new CLI configs to determine if you entered a typo. And these are just a couple of examples of how New Central will save you time supporting your network by quickly or even proactively resolving issues before they impact production. By leveraging the NOC Alerts card, AI search, and robust alerts management, you can enhance your network's reliability and performance significantly. These tools not only provide real-time insights, but also empower you with actionable data to make informed decisions. Thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to know more about the new HPE Aruba Networking Central, click the links to the New Central Online Help Guide and the New Central Readiness Validated Solution Guide located in the description below. Also, stay tuned for more videos because they'll be coming in fast. Until next time.